Hi, Danielle here with Trinity Wellness. I am going to show you some rehab exercises to help relieve sciatica pain. I know there's a lot of people who suffer with sciatica, and it can be excruciating pain. I have worked with a lot of people with sciatica, and I can help with sciatica tremendously. I have tools, and I know where to target, and I can really help relieve, almost take the pain away. But if you cannot get a massage, that is completely fine. There are things you can do at home to help relieve sciatica pain. So first I'm going to talk about what sciatica is. So sciatica is a muscle that is getting tight, that is pinching on the sciatic nerve. So the muscle is called the piriformis, which is connects from the pelvis to the hip joint. And the sciatic nerve, which comes from up here and trails all the way through here, that's why you have shooting pain going down your leg, is because the piriformis muscle gets tight and presses on that sciatic nerve, which causes a lot of pain. So what we are going to do, what I'm going to show you first, is just some massaging techniques. So I'm going to have you start at your low back. Bring your hand into a fist. You're going to bring your knuckles right by your spine, not on your spine, by your spine. And we're just going to do little rotations down, down, till we get to the middle of your buttocks where the piriformis is. And you're just going to do little circles right here. You're just going to work around. You will find it, especially if you have sciatica, you will find the spot. And I just want you to just work right there, right here. Work around it, come back up, use your fingers, come back down, and work on that area. Very good. So that is a start. Just work on that area and all the way down, starting right where L4 and L5 is and coming all the way down. Come into the middle of your buttocks. That's where the piriformis is, and dig your fist in there. That really helps a lot. So next I'm going to show you some strengthening exercises that help strengthen this area that is so important to do, because a hurt muscle is a weak muscle which needs to be strengthened. You want to make sure you're doing it all the correct way so you don't hurt yourself even more. So when I work with people, I'm always telling them to look at their posture. You always have to make sure you have correct posture, which is shoulders back and down, spine is straight, core tight, okay? And your pelvis is tucked in. A lot of us go like this. You want to make sure your pelvis tucked in, okay? So first one is one of my favorites. It's almost like a deadlift. So correct your posture, spine straight, shoulders back and down, core is tight, knees are slightly bent, and your hip width apart, okay? And we're gonna slowly reach down and come back up. Tighten the buttocks as you come up. Tighten the upper legs. Go back down, reaching to wherever is comfortable, and come back up. Tighten as you come up. Very good. Go back down, come back up. I have scoliosis, and I have had severe sciatica at one point, and to the point where I couldn't even bend over to wash my face without having to brace myself. And I was in a lot of pain back then. I started weight training, and I was in a bit of a pain going through these and doing these, but I'm in no more pain at all, none. And it's, I believe, all because of weight training. Keep going. I would do 5 massages a day and come home in crying pain. And now, after I started weight training, I'm in virtually no more pain. But now I know what to do. If my sciatica flares up, which it's starting to flare up a little bit over here, you know, my low back pain is pretty much gone. It's pretty amazing. Even 23 years doing massage now, and I'm in virtually no more pain. All because of weight training. So we do some lunges. And if you have sciatica, this will probably hurt quite a bit. So just do a little bit. Make sure you do both sides, even if it's only on your left side or right side. And then squats are very good. Those are my 3 favorites to do if you have sciatica. So you want to strengthen your legs and your low back. Planks on your elbows is also another great one to do. That's very important. Now we'll move on to stretching. So one of my favorite stretches to do is the pigeon pose. So there's different ways to do the pigeon pose. Grab a chair, especially if you're not very good with balancing, because this one is a little bit of a balance. You bring one foot over the knee, and you're gonna bend into it. Chair if you need it. This one is pretty advanced for balancing. Sit into it, and then do the opposite side. Sit into it. Back is straight. Another one on the chair, a bit easier. I'm gonna bring this down a little bit. Ankle on the knee, straight back, fold forward. You'll get a really nice stretch through this area. Fold forward to wherever is comfortable and hold. Hold for as long as you want to. Bring it a step further. Push your knee down, bring your foot up. Very good. This is really good. Okay, now we're gonna bring it to the floor. Okay, so with that same stretch, you can do that on the floor. You can do it in bed before you get out of bed for your day. So laying back, bring one ankle on the knee, bringing the hands through, and bring the opposite knee to the chest. Very good. This feels so good. Next, get a medicine ball, therapy ball or a tennis ball works too. And you're gonna put it right there where it hurts. And this is gonna be a bit painful. When you're in pain, you gotta go through some pain to get through it, right? It's about with anything in life. If you don't go through the pain that you need to go through to get over it, it's not going to work very well. It's like a Band-Aid. And we don't want Band-Aids because it doesn't really get rid of the pain. It's just a mask. So this really helps a lot. And just sit and relax and breathe through it, because this would probably be pretty painful, but it will really help a lot. So the medicine ball, therapy ball, next a foam roller. So I'll put it right behind my back, kind of middle, right on by the spine, and I just roll over it. Getting to the place, this is right where the sciatica is. And just move back and forth. Just giving my sciatica a massage, my piriformis, and then roll off. This is very good to use too. So that is how you can relieve some piriformis, sciatica pain at home. And I can always help with massage to further the progress. And you guys make it a great day. Namaste.